Welcome back to CINN, where we delve into the captivating realm of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and the future of finance. Today, we're taking you on a fascinating journey through the evolution of cryptocurrency, from the birth of Bitcoin to the altcoin revolution. As we explore the various use cases, technological innovations, and potential future directions for the industry, remember that this space continuously evolves. So, let's dive in and discover the world of digital assets together. The birth of Bitcoin. In 2008, a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the world to Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency built on blockchain technology. This groundbreaking invention allowed people to make transactions without intermediaries like banks, offering a new level of financial freedom and security. Over the years, Bitcoin has continued to grow in value and adoption, paving the way for a whole new world of cryptocurrencies. Following Bitcoin's success, numerous other digital currencies, known as altcoins, emerged. Ethereum, one of the most notable examples, expanded on Bitcoin's blockchain technology by introducing smart contracts, which enabled developers to create decentralized applications. Other popular altcoins like Litecoin, Ripple, and Cardano have also brought unique innovations, further diversifying the crypto landscape. As the number of cryptocurrencies has grown, we've seen a true revolution in how people transact, invest, and engage with technology. From decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, the possibilities are endless. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology, there's no doubt that the future of cryptocurrency looks incredibly promising. And there you have it, a brief journey through the evolution of cryptocurrency, from Bitcoin to the altcoin revolution. With such rapid advancements in this space, staying informed is more important than ever. To stay up to date and join the crypto revolution, follow our website, cryptoinvestornewsnetwork.com, and Twitter at CINN. And before we wrap up, remember to check out our online shop for the coolest crypto merchandise and secure your digital assets with a Ledger hard wallet. You'll find all the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and until our next video, happy crypto investing!